law of the jungle. The predator is coming. Who is a predator? A brick? A dinosaur? A backpack? The predator is a meaty and easy-to-control quadcopter. Flexible materials ensure high protection against a harsh environment and minor bounce. Swift and responsive, powerful and energetic, precise and quick stop. Enjoy the flight in headless mode. Cool 360-degree flip. Outdoor boat fly at park or open area. Indoor gentle fly at home. Shuttle at ease. Safe crash. Just press the one key return. Back to you safely. Begin your adventure and experience the brand new Predator now.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.